didn't break anything, so not didn't.
Can you hear me? Brattleboro, are you out there?
Yeah!
All right, good. Now let's talk. First off, can we hear it really loud and really good for our host and hostess, Stanley and Laura? How about 3 cheers for Stanley and Laura? Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Thank you, Stanley. Thank you, Laura. This is awesome. And thank you everybody else behind the scenes that works their butt off to make sure nobody gets killed. Thank you, Angry Johnny.
Too late.
And the Killbillies. Can we hear it for Mr. Dan Richardson? Sound engineer extraordinaire. He's going to be one of you. He's going to be a Brattleboroite. Brattleboroian. Yeah. He lives right up the hill. All right. Who else do we need to thank? Raise your hand. Who wants to be thanked? Who did something worthwhile? Thank you, bearded man. Thank you, little mohawk dude. Thank you, sir.
I did not get any bikes
Thank you,
over.
thank you, thank you for being hot. Thank you for being ugly. Thank you for everything. All right. Also, I'd like to introduce to you Uncle Dirty. This is Chuck Schmidt, another behind-the-scenes man kind of man.
Thank you all for coming out. Thank you again, Stanley. Laura, it's been wonderful. It is my great privilege and honor to introduce to you this evening the Drunk Stuntman. Let's hear it for him. Thank you.
to the street. For years you could walk it